Hello and welcome to Junk Journal July for 2023. My name's Leigh, I'm from Australia, and during the month of July I'm going to create something in my little accordion journal using the prompts provided. These are going to be quick projects that I hope will motivate and inspire you to do something in your own journal every day. This is an open challenge hosted by Meg from Meg Journals. Okay, let's see what today's prompt is and get creative. Hello, I'm so happy that you're here for day 17 of Junk Journal July, and the prompt for today is pause. Now I've got my little journal here ready to go, and this is what I did for day 16, which is maximalism. It's gorgeous, isn't it? And if you want to see that video, there's a link for it up in the top right hand corner of the screen. So this is going to be my focal image, the bird sitting on that branch. And I'm just going to cover my page with a piece of coffee dyed paper just to strengthen it up and provide a little bit of interest in the background. Oh, if you notice the lighting goes a bit funny in this video, it's because there was cloud coming over and then bright sunshine, and I'd turn the light on and it'd be too bright, and I'd turn it off and then the cloud would come back over again, so that's why it keeps changing. I hope it's not too much of a bother for you. I'm just going to mark the crease where this page ends, just so I know the space I have to work in. Now this image is not going to fit in across the page, so I'm going to cut the branch out, the middle section that's got no leaves on it, and then join it back in but shorten it up a bit. So I'm just working out how that's going to be positioned, and I'll trim around the branches a little bit, around the leaves, and then glue it back together again. Before I glue the bird on, I want to do a little bit of stenciling in the background, and I'm using Vintage Photo Distress ink to do that. So I've reconstructed the branch and shortened it a bit so it fits on the page. I'm just going to go around the bird and the edge of the page with a Stabilo pencil. Now I'm going to glue on my number and my prompt, and I've also stamped out the word breathe, which I'm going to attach to a piece of gel print. I'm going to have to stamp another letter B because I tore the side of it when I was trimming the excess paper away. Now I'm just using a regular felt tip pen to doodle a bit of a trailing leaf pattern in a few places around the edge of the page. Here I'm going to re-stamp the letter B, but I'm going to use an uppercase B this time and cover over the B that has been partially torn off. This is an acrylic paint by Lumiere. It's metallic and it's a greeny or an emerald sort of gold, almost an aqua colour when it's actually applied, and it's quite transparent, but I thought it added a nice touch because there's a little bit of aqua in the paper, the coffee stain paper, and there's also a similar colour in the bit of paper that's behind the word breathe. Now I'm using a damp brush to activate the Stabilo pencil. I'm not going to do that around the edge of the bird though, just around the edge of the page. The final thing I'm going to do with this is just get a little bit of vintage photo on my brush and paint in between the leaves and the berries. It's just a bit too white, so I thought I'd just tint that up with a little bit of vintage photo. So that way it's going to blend into the background. I love this one. It's so calming and peaceful and like relaxing as well, just the muted colours. Such a change from yesterday's bright explosion of colour. Let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up or thumbs down if you don't like it. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting and cheers from Australia. Hooroo! Thanks for watching.